Is your GMC Terrain key fob from 2010 to 2018 not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit. First, identify the symptoms of a dead battery. The remote buttons may not respond, the LED light might not flash, or the vehicle could show an accessory error. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery available for $5 to $10. The GMC Terrain key fob uses a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery that powers functions like lock and unlock, the panic button, and in some trims, the rear hatch release. Now for the replacement steps. First, push the key release button to expose a slot. Second, gently pry open the fob case to avoid cracking it. Third, remove the old battery. Fourth, insert the new battery with the positive side up. Fifth, snap the case shut and test the buttons within a 100-foot range. Important warnings. Ensure correct battery polarity to prevent short circuits. Don't force the case open, as it can damage it and lead to costly replacements of $50 to $150. Weakened plastic clips may cause issues. Always test within range. What if the new battery doesn't solve the problem? First, double-check that the battery is correctly installed and is a fresh CR2032. Sometimes, corrosion on the battery contacts can prevent proper function. Clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol and try again. If the remote still doesn't work post-battery swap, a faulty antenna wire may need soldering, or there may be an issue involving the vehicle's receiver module, requiring professional diagnosis. Note the remote start can fail with a bad antenna wire. The fobs are model-specific with or without remote start. Consult the owner's manual or VIN for an exact match. Aftermarket, eco-friendly rechargeable lithium-ion kits are available, promising a 10x lifespan, but they cost 2 to 3x more. Batteries typically last 1 to 3 years, depending on usage and climate. Experts emphasize DIY as safe and cost-effective. Annual battery checks can reduce complaints by 60%. If DIY isn't your thing, expect to pay $50 to $100 for professional replacement.